Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and me too. All of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take mathematics class for class 1, and our today's topic is times table 8 and 9, and our today's lecture 3 and HW is 3, which is called your vacation HW, and you have to submit this HW after your Eid ul Adha vacation. Now let's go to start our class. First of all, here is times table of 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, so 6 is here ones place and 1 is here tens place. 8 threes are 24, 4 is here ones place and 2 is tens place. 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, and finally 8 tens are 80. So again we can read here 8 zeros are 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, and 8 tens are 80. Now let's go to the next one. Here is times table of 9. 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 9 tens are 90. So here we can read again 9 zeros are 0, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, here is 18 ones place and 1 in tens place. 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, and 9 tens are 90. And here is your HW3 times table 8 and 9. My dear students, hope you understood the times table of 8 and 9. You will learn this at your home. Practice it more and more. Practice it at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.